Welcome to Embedded Electronics channel. Here we will see 10 important question and answer. Question: what is the difference between machine code and assembly language? Answer: machine code is the binary language that a processor directly executes, while assembly language uses readable instructions that are translated into machine code. Question: what is the role of a compiler in embedded systems? Answer: a compiler translates high-level programming code into machine code that the microcontroller or processor can execute. Question: why are interrupts more efficient than polling? Answer: interrupts let the processor respond only when needed, saving processing time, while polling wastes resources by constantly checking device status. Question: what is the difference between embedded Linux and a real-time operating system? Answer: embedded Linux is feature-rich and supports multitasking, while a real-time operating system is lightweight and ensures strict timing guarantees. Question: what is the function of direct memory access in microcontrollers? Answer: direct memory access allows data to be transferred between peripherals and memory without using a CPU, which improves efficiency. Question: what is the purpose of using cache memory in processors? Answer: cache memory stores frequently used instructions and data closer to the CPU, reducing access time and improving system performance. Question: what is the difference between a logic gate and a flip-flop? Answer: a logic gate performs simple logical operations on inputs, while a flip-flop stores a single bit of data and can act as memory. Question: why are communication protocols important in embedded systems? Answer: communication protocols define rules for data exchange, ensuring reliable, standardized, and error-free communication between devices. Question: what is the difference between static testing and dynamic testing? Answer: static testing checks code and design without execution, while dynamic testing verifies program behavior by actually running the code. Question: why is real-time clock backup battery important in embedded boards? Answer: a backup battery keeps the real-time clock running even when the main power is off, ensuring the correct date and time are preserved. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.